Hello moms and dads, welcome to Moms and Kids. In this vlog we will talk about motor skills. What are actually motor skills and how to develop motor skills in your kids, and what are the various types of motor skills, we will discuss about this in this vlog. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and do comment on the comment section if anything is left in this video. So, what are actually motor skills? Motor skills are something we do in our daily life without even thinking about them. So, motor skills are the movements and the actions of the muscles, and these are divided into the two parts: the gross motor skills and the fine motor skills. So basically, gross motor skills are something like climbing stairs, dancing, jumping, crawling. These are the gross motor skills, and these are in the early stage of the development of child. So when the child is crawling and learning to stand, learning to walking, these are the gross motor skills in your kids. Mastering into the both gross motors and the fine motor skills are very important for children. So we have discussed about the gross motor skills. Now we will talk about fine motor skills. So fine motor skills are something which is again very important for your kids development, and fine motor skills are basically used among the toddlers, if I say, and according to my experience. So fine motor skills increase independence in your kid, brings independence, individuality in your kids. So some of the examples of the fine motor skills are the clapping hands, pasting things on the paper, tearing and pasting, making a tower through blocks, making a tower through blocks. Important activity is through the clothespin. So this is the clothespin, and if you had heard about the pom pom, so basically, if the child will pick the clothespin like this, so his or her muscle will improve, finger muscles will improve, and he have to do like this and pick the pom pom and put it in a bowl or something. So through this kind of activity, a finger muscles are improved. Sticker activity, you can give them the sticker and they have to peel them off and paste them on a sheet, and through this the concentration is also improved, hand eye coordination is also improved through these kind of activities. Thank you parents, and if there are any kind of activities which have left in my this vlog, so you please do mention on the comment section, so that I can also learn some of the activities and can do with my kid as well. Please follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.